Watch this video to learn about the key features and navigation of the My Work page.
When you log into new Landonline survey, the My Work page displays.
You will see 5 tabs. The My Surveys tab lists all datasets where you are assigned as the primary contact, signing surveyor, or an enabled user. The Primary Contact tab lists all surveys where you are assigned as the primary contact. The Signing Surveyor tab lists all surveys where you are assigned as the signing surveyor. The Enabled Surveys tab lists all surveys where you are an enabled user. And the Firm Surveys tab lists all surveys for your firm that you have no role assigned. If you work under more than one firm, click your user ID on the top right of the page to bring up a drop-down list of firms you're working for. A tick indicates the firm you're logged in under. To change firms, select another firm from the drop-down list. If you need to change firms, you will need to do this on the My Work page. If you have any other surveys open in another tab, we recommend you close these before switching firms. Select the menu icon in the top right-hand corner of the My Work page to open the main menu.
Here you can create a request, change your password, find out what's new, get help using the application, give feedback on the application, and log out. Select the 9 dots icon on the left-hand side of the header to switch applications. The application you're in will be colored green. Select the up arrow icon to open an application in a new browser tab, and select anywhere else along the row to open the application in the same tab.
Use the question mark icon on the My Work page to access support information specific to the task or activity you're doing. The question mark icon is also available on the spatial view and on each of the panels once you've opened a survey, and when you select them, you'll be taken to support content that relates to the panel or page you're on. Select the light bulb icon to give feedback on the application. Use the Create Survey button to create a new survey. To find out what an icon does, hover over it to reveal additional information. The standard columns you'll see on the My Work page are CSD reference, surveyor's reference,
A description of the survey if it's been added, the purpose of the survey, who the signing surveyor is, the firm the primary contact belongs to, and the status of the survey, such as request created.
There is also an additional Actions menu. Click on the 3 dots to bring up the menu. Here you can create a TA request or delete a survey. Surveys marked by a padlock mean they are read-only. Hover over the lock symbol to see the reason. A dataset can only be edited by one user at a time. Other users can access the dataset in read-only mode. A survey can be opened in both legacy and new Landonline applications at the same time. However, the application version you opened the survey in second will be locked and placed in read-only mode until you close the other version. You will also see messages relating to exception requests. This brings us to the end of the key features and navigation of the My Work page video. Thanks for watching.